Let's make a fake nuke. Yes, to scare everyone. Haha. Let's go to Fox headquarters. Alright, we're here. Need to find the elevator. Now I see it. It's by the window. 1 floor, 2 floor, 3 floor, we're here. Now where is it? Yeah, we're here. Now I need to change my voice.
Really? Attention people, we're going to have a nuke from North Korea. So go to a fallout or stay in basements. We have 60 seconds.
Oh no! We're in panic. Think it's fake or it's Caillou doing it.
60 seconds later.
Where is it? Wait, I think it's Caillou.
Ha 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 ha.
Caillou, you're in trouble when we get home. Oh, Caillou, how dare you make a fake nuke alert? You've made everyone panic. Thoughts that you're grounded for 183828282829282828282828227 years.
Ah.